So today we're going to fix the problem with the Mosin, and every time I take this thing out I cry, and it's not just because of the price of the ammunition, it is the steel butt plate. It is a huge pain in the shoulder. It's also a pain in the ass. It hurts more than anything. I cry every single time.
Fucking pussy.
Okay, I can't disagree, but it does hurt, and my shoulder hurts. And you know, you get about 5 rounds down the field, and you start bleeding out of your shoulder, you give yourself a nice little bruise.
Because your shoulder's made out of bitch.
Why are you here? So materials are pretty simple. I'm just going to use some high density foam and a cloth. It's going to represent like the Pashtun.
Портянки.
The Paktun.
Портянки.
The Paktui.
Портянки.
The Russian sock things. We're just going to not lose the vibe of the wood and like the antiqueness of the surplus rifle. So that's why we're going with these materials. It should reduce the recoil enough without spending any money. So we're just going to go from there and show you what we're doing.
Or you could use these fucking pads. Pussy.
So they make rubber replacements. They're about $12, but if you're anything like me, my people are under attack right now, and we don't spend money if we don't have to. So just get some high density foam. This was locally acquired at work, so we can just cut off a little piece of it. It'll look better when it's cut.
Sure.
I hate you. I hate you. You know what? Get out of my house. Leave your lights and get out of my house. As you can see, you got it all wrapped up now. I mean, it definitely feels softer. Might not look the prettiest, but that's definitely going to save your shoulder if you want to take off a couple hundred rounds and actually use this bad boy. Or you could spend that $12 and get one of those aftermarket parts. Another option with this is you can actually just like countersink your foam. I don't know how well it's going to hold up with like that squish and holding down that buttstock though. So I'm not going to go that route right now. If this works fine, I'm just going to keep rocking with this for a little bit because it kind of has that like improvisational thrown togetherness that that you feel like the Russian army would have. So this feels like keeping that surplus vibe right now. And if you want to take it off, all you got to do is just remove your wrapping. And it's a quick, easy little hack. The other thing you could do is put a wrap over, grab some rubber bands. It depends on what the vibe you're going for is. So hope this helps and save some of y'all's shoulders out there. All right, till the next one. Have a good one.